guys, sister and hope you enjoy. Ooh, cute badger. I kind of like it that all the pets like have a love thing above them. I mean, this is a really cute badger, except it has egg legs. Come on, this thing isn't working. Ah, come on, just come on, token. Let's go. Come on. This token is being mean. The token is being mean. Oh, this is annoying. All right, now back to the tree, because we literally just lost connection, and at least we're in the same room. Okay, we're in the same room as before. Perfect. Now we can do this in peace without disconnecting a second time. Nice. Sneak. I like snakes. The snakes and AJ look great. Oh no, there are just 2 people now. So I'm gonna check. I need to check how many people there are. Okay, just 2 people. There's a puppy lover here. Why? Oh no, other people are doing the tokens. No! There's only 2 people here, and this bunny is doing the tokens. Let's see, what level are they? Like, oh my gosh. They're level 30. They have a glider with them too, and it's like, oh my gosh, they're doing tokens too. Ooh, cute hyena. Good, the bunny's gone. Hey, and now the fox is gone. We have it all to ourselves. Nice. Wait a second. But when there's a place, oh no, more people are coming. I knew it. That's always happens. No. They're gonna do the tokens too. No. Okay, I hope they don't. I hope they don't. I think they just came here to watch the tokens. Nope, they're dressing themselves up. Okay. No, another person. Nice. Cool. Oh, so pretty. Isn't it just so pretty? I mean, look at it. It's so cute. Butterfly. Cute butterfly. Let's see, how many tokens are left? 16. Dove! Dove! Dove, 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 dove. That was dove. Zebra. Nice. All right. Let's see. Okay. Glider. Alright. Oh, we got a cute glider. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Yay! Bye.
To ensure the highest quality of customer service, your call will be monitored and recorded.